The handguard is part of the chain brake system on your chainsaw. It mounts on top of the saw, ahead of the front handle, and attaches to the chain brake. In the event of a kickback, your wrist will contact the handguard as the saw pivots backward. This engages the chain brake, bringing the chain to a stop. The handguard can be accidentally damaged if something falls on your saw or if it is dropped. The tabs that engage with the chain brake can also become worn. Replacing the handguard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bar and chain. Now remove the starter assembly. Now I can remove the screw that secures the brake handle. And remove the handle from the saw. Now install the new handle. I align the right side with the post on the housing. Then I'll need to slightly pry the handle open to attach the opposite side. Once aligned, I'll reinstall the screw. Next, I'll reinstall the starter. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. Place the bar over the mounting studs, wrap the chain around the sprocket, and into the groove on the bar. And then I'll replace the clutch cover. I'll tighten the nuts, just finger tight. Retension the chain. And then tighten up the nuts. And that's how easy it is to replace the handguard on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.